Hey everybody, how's it going? I just wanted to show you a quick, very quick, I think, comparison video because I went and did a thing. Um, you may have seen recently I had this GSG 100 quick overview, and yeah, I just got this, received it late last week, and loving it. Great watch, big thick watch, easy to read, really easy to read. That's what I like about it, but I had been watching locally, somebody had for sale a GW 9500, and wow, it was inexpensive. Um, like, I was not expecting to have this made available to me, and here it is. It's in my hands. Um, I was not expecting this at all. I had sold my GW 9400 range band because the display was just getting to me. It was really small, and I'm just decided I was getting really tired of small displays like that. Here's a comparison: the GWM 5610. It's little digitals. It's fine, but on a big old watch like this, wow, I really love them big digits. They are nice, and it's pretty thin. Compare it to the GXW 56, the King, which, I mean, let's be honest, this watch is on its own planet. It's just ridiculous. So this is why I won't sell it. Yeah, it's got the smallest digits ever, but maybe not like a 5900. But look at it. It's just, come on, it's ridiculous. But the thinness of it. I mean, that's a thick old watch, the King is, and that's not so bad, for having all the features of a range band. Effectively, the new Mudman, the GW 9500, is pretty sweet. Another comparison, digit wise, it's even slightly bigger than, this is a Casio SGW 100, I think. Dual sensor. It's got a compass, got a temperature gauge, thermometer, and the digits aren't far off. This, by the way, is one of the most underrated watches. I think you can get them so inexpensively these days, and they're just fantastic. It's like a baby Pro Trek or something. Yeah, I mean, 200 meter water resistance, big digits, date, all the G-Shock features you want, except maybe the G-Shock toughness. But come on, I'm not slamming it up into walls or anything. Nice, big, easy to read digits and a great backlight. But this is what we're here for. Just got these two in the last week, and I really like this GSG Tough Solar GSG 100 Mudmaster. It's a big, chunky, thick watch, and when you want to wear a big, chunky, thick watch sometimes, but it's got the analog display and it looks hot. And I wasn't expecting to like this as much. I couldn't pass it up because, it's basically a range band, and I just sold my range band because I wasn't really into the range band anymore, and I was not thinking I would want another range band. But I'll be damned, it's really good. I really like it. It's got your sunset, sunrise, which is probably one of the features I use more often. And it's the first one in when you press. You got your recordings, your stopwatch, your timer, your alarms, world time, and yeah, you got your barometer, your triple sensor. That's one little thing I like about this particular model. I got it in my hand. I'm looking at it. See how these little black shrouds here cover, and these have silver shrouds. We have our little silver shrouds here. So it's kind of got this sort of asymmetry going on where we have, a bit more pop over here and the black shrouds here. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised by this new Rangeman replacement, this new Mudman GW 9500. And if you were on the fence about it, if you were thinking, oh, maybe will I, won't I, I'd say if you could find one in your area, inexpensive, I wouldn't pay full price at all. You know, see it's got that dual LCD display. If you could find one inexpensively, go for it. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. It's got a great feel. It's got those little bumpers, which I like, those little wings. And the straps are kind of more or less the same. Well, they're not the same, but they're not far. It's a little bit more like the Mudmaster, not quite as chunky. It's got that kind of, see that mesh. It's a little bit lighter overall, which you do notice when you're wearing it. It's a little bit lighter than the Mudmaster. So, yeah. GW9500 Mudman. Great little watch. Great watch. Great looking. Get it in the positive display. Wear it. Be happy. Thanks for watching. If you like this and you want to see more, subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.